The year 2024 became a landmark for the Duyunov Motors project. A key event took place in the project's history. The construction of the Sovelmash Design and Engineering Technology Bureau was completed. We have built a world-class engineering center. The final stage of construction was filled with important events. All engineering utilities were connected and began operating. 4 power transformers for stable electricity supply, as well as the ventilation and smoke removal systems, are ready for operation. Commissioning of the heating unit has been completed. Modern fire extinguishing, alarm, and video surveillance systems have been installed. The interior spaces of the DETB have taken on their finished appearance. Partitions and doors have been installed. The restrooms have been completed and tiled. Freight elevators were put into operation and turnstiles were installed. These changes allowed Sovelmash to finally move from rented premises into its own building and begin recruiting new specialists. The area around DETB has been transformed. Asphalt was laid, entrance groups were installed, and the installation of the noise barrier was completed. The facility was inspected by a state commission, which issued comments that were subsequently addressed. After that, the wait began for the Certificate of Completion of Construction, an essential document without which the enterprise cannot begin full-scale operations. At the same time, the facility received a cadastral number, a legal address, and was officially registered as the company's property. Simultaneously with the construction, the active outfitting of production facilities was underway. Thanks to the support of investors, Sovelmash was able to follow the maximum program, set up production lines, and not limit itself to just engine development, which greatly expanded our capabilities. This year, the equipment fleet was expanded with a large number of high-performance specialized machines. What was acquired over the course of the year? Laser equipment, CNC milling and turning machines, a hydraulic sheet bending press, a 15-ton casting unit for high-pressure aluminum casting, and manipulators for it. A hydraulic press, a slotting and key seating machine, 3 stationary compressors, a 5-axis vertical machining center, and other equipment. Additionally, a surface mount assembly line was installed, allowing us to produce electronic components for our products. At the International Military Technical Forum Army 2024, Sovelmash once again confirmed its status as an innovation leader. The ultra-heavy class drone Motilek, the world's first quadcopter with synchronous electric motors, became a real sensation, making it into the top 10 best developments at the exhibition and generating significant buzz among experts and the media. Meanwhile, preparations for the mass production of angle grinders were underway in the production workshop. The first boards for their controllers had already been manufactured on our own production line. The same goes for the motor parts for the quadcopter. Equipment with Slavyanka electric motors appeared and was tested in several countries at once. In Peru, an electric motorcycle with a DA90s motor, which replaced the gasoline engine, was presented. In the coastal waters of Vladivostok, a boat with a motor based on an electric engine with combined windings was tested. And our partners from Macedonia meticulously prepared and successfully tested an electric boat on the beautiful Lake Ohrid, which will later be equipped with solar panels. The ultimate goal is to replace the gasoline fleet with electric vehicles to protect the pristine purity of this unique lake. And this is far from the full list of new transport based on Slavyanka. The project's geography continued to expand. SOLARGROUP strengthened its position by opening offices in Brazil and Mozambique. A landmark event was the introduction of our technology to the president of Mozambique at an international exhibition. An important step was the implementation of the functionality to receive shares through personal accounts and the opening of access to this feature for most countries. The financial results for the year are impressive. More than $23 million in investments were attracted. The total volume exceeded 97 million. Our community has grown to over 74,000 investors and 21,000 partners. On December 30th, the project officially entered its final stage of funding. We are now truly on the home stretch. The year 2024 has clearly shown that what seemed like a bold idea just yesterday has become a tangible reality today.